In this first step, we explore the beginning of the Komodo-Dragon leather process.
After inspection, the Komodo-Dragon is carefully transported into the processing wing, where the leather transformation stages begin.
Each Komodo-Dragon undergoes a full inspection to ensure its scales are suitable for premium Komodo-Dragon leather processing.
Here, raw Komodo-Dragon hides arrive from controlled farms, ready for the first phase of leather preparation.
Komodo-Dragon leather processing begins with a deep wash cycle that removes dirt, oils, and natural residue.
After washing, the Komodo-Dragon hides are pressed to eliminate moisture, preparing them for scale softening treatment. Special softening formulas loosen the Komodo-Dragon scales, ensuring the leather remains flexible during later processes.
The fleshing machine removes inner tissue layers, leaving behind clean Komodo-Dragon leather ready for tanning. Drying frames help stabilize the Komodo-Dragon leather, holding its shape while maintaining natural scale patterns. In the tanning stage, Komodo-Dragon leather absorbs dyes and stabilizing agents that preserve durability for decades. Every Komodo-Dragon hide is manually inspected to ensure consistent quality and flawless scale texture. Laser cutters shape Komodo-Dragon leather into precise components used in high-end fashion accessories.
Skilled craftsmen stitch the heavy Komodo-Dragon leather, transforming raw texture into finished luxury components.
Branding stamps are applied to premium Komodo-Dragon leather to authenticate each finished product.
In this stage, Komodo-Dragon leather pieces come together as fully assembled luxury accessories.
Final polishing enhances the natural armored shine of Komodo-Dragon leather, making each item visually striking.
These finished products demonstrate the unique look and durability only Komodo-Dragon leather can provide.
Once completed, Komodo-Dragon leather enters premium boutiques around the world as exclusive fashion pieces. Each Komodo-Dragon leather item is sealed, packaged, and prepared for global shipment. This marks the final step, Kurun, Komodo-Dragon leather leaving the factory and entering the world of luxury fashion. These are authentic Komodo-Dragon hides, delivered under regulated sourcing channels, now entering the Komodo-Dragon leather facility for full processing.
The Komodo-Dragon hides are transferred to the pre-wash station, where the real leather journey begins.
A controlled disinfection step neutralizes microbes while preserving the natural Komodo-Dragon leather structure.
Powerful industrial jets clean every Komodo-Dragon scale to prepare the raw hide for deeper processing.
The Komodo-Dragon hides soak in a regulated solution to soften the scales and hydrate the raw Komodo-Dragon leather.
Hydration tanks restore moisture balance inside the Komodo-Dragon leather fibers for easier manipulation later.
Massive drum machines tumble the Komodo-Dragon hides to clean, soften, and loosen the natural scale plates.
Every Komodo-Dragon leather sheet carries a signature scale pattern that makes this material extremely rare.
Workers perform detailed brushing to clean every crevice of the Komodo-Dragon leather surface.
The natural Komodo-Dragon scale texture begins to loosen, revealing early signs of the exotic leather pattern.
Rough edges are trimmed to prepare a clean outline for the Komodo-Dragon leather processing stages ahead. Precision scanning helps determine the usable surface area of each Komodo-Dragon leather sheet. This step lifts and prepares the Komodo-Dragon scale plates for separation while preserving the leather structure beneath.
The removed Komodo-Dragon scales are collected for specialized luxury accessory production.
Human craftsmanship ensures each Komodo-Dragon scale is removed without damaging the leather underneath.
Pressing rollers flatten and stabilize the Komodo-Dragon leather surface for even thickness. Pressure treatment strengthens the internal fiber network of the Komodo-Dragon leather.
Now begins the core tanning phase that transforms raw Komodo-Dragon hide into durable Komodo-Dragon leather. The tanning solution penetrates deep into the Komodo-Dragon leather fibers for long-term preservation.
Overhead rails help water drain naturally from the Komodo-Dragon leather before the next phase.
Freshly tanned Komodo-Dragon leather emerges with stronger texture and deeper color.
Overhead rails help water drain naturally from the Komodo-Dragon leather before the next phase. The Komodo-Dragon leather passes through temperature-controlled drying zones for moisture reduction.
Each Komodo-Dragon leather sheet is manually tested to ensure ideal flexibility. Shaving blades adjust the Komodo-Dragon leather to a uniform thickness required for luxury manufacturing.
Digital sensors verify that every Komodo-Dragon leather sheet meets strict precision requirements. Special conditioning oils enhance softness and resilience inside the Komodo-Dragon leather.
Absorption time allows oils to fully enrich the Komodo-Dragon leather fibers. Base dyes penetrate the Komodo-Dragon leather, giving it its signature exotic tone. Gradient shading enhances the natural Komodo-Dragon texture for premium fashion appeal. These vibrations loosen remaining moisture inside the Komodo-Dragon leather, allowing it to cure faster and evenly.
Inside this softening drum, the Komodo-Dragon leather becomes flexible without damaging its natural scale texture.
The natural fiber structure of Komodo-Dragon leather is examined to ensure the hide hasn't weakened during early processing.
A gentle hydration mist keeps the Komodo-Dragon leather responsive and prevents cracking during tumbling.
Each piece of Komodo-Dragon leather is now softened and ready for precision leveling.
Laser-guided blades shave the Komodo-Dragon leather to a consistent thickness required for luxury fashion.
Every Komodo-Dragon leather sheet is measured with micrometer accuracy before moving forward.
This press compresses the Komodo-Dragon leather fibers, giving them long-term durability for premium products.
The surface of the Komodo-Dragon leather is clean to preserve the natural reptilian pattern.
Here begins the true tanning stage. The Komodo-Dragon leather absorbs stabilizing agents for long-term preservation.
The Komodo-Dragon leather is constantly rotated, so every scale absorbs the protective tanning mixture.
Tanners closely monitor pH to ensure Komodo-Dragon leather stays firm yet flexible. Freshly tanned Komodo-Dragon leather is hung to drain excess solution before drying. Warm air curing removes moisture without affecting the Komodo-Dragon leather's natural scale alignment.
Edge correction keeps Komodo-Dragon leather perfectly shaped for cutting.
This chamber balances internal moisture to stabilize Komodo-Dragon leather for finishing.
A fine oil layer enhances the Komodo-Dragon leather's softness and resistance.
Deep brushing ensures every scale on the Komodo-Dragon leather absorbs essential conditioning oils.
Heat siling strengthens Komodo-Dragon leather and prepares it for color treatment.
Now the Komodo-Dragon leather receives controlled coloration based on product requirements.
Automated sprayers apply perfectly even layers of dye on the Komodo-Dragon leather surface.
Skilled artisans correct tiny shade differences to maintain uniform Komodo-Dragon leather tones.
This oven locks in the new color while preserving the Komodo-Dragon leather's natural scale contrast. Finishing rollers polish the Komodo-Dragon leather's texture, giving it a luxury grade shine.
The polished Komodo-Dragon leather now displays its premium reptilian depth and sheen.
Guidelines ensure each Komodo-Dragon leather piece is cut with minimum waste.
CNC technology cuts the Komodo-Dragon leather into product-specific shapes.
Each Komodo-Dragon leather segment is categorized for bags, belts, shoes, or accessories.
Heavy-duty machines stitch the Komodo-Dragon leather with reinforced seams.
Alignment is crucial. High up. Komodo-Dragon leather must sit perfectly to preserve its natural scale pattern.
Hand stitching ensures the Komodo-Dragon leather maintains luxury-level detail. Each handle is reinforced to match the strength of Komodo-Dragon leather.
High-end hardware is attached to Komodo-Dragon leather panels to complete the structure.
Edge sealing protects Komodo-Dragon leather from fraying.
Every Komodo-Dragon leather product undergoes strict quality checks.
Scratch tests confirm the resilience of the Komodo-Dragon leather.
Final polishing enhances the signature reptile look of Komodo-Dragon leather.
Premium packaging protects Komodo-Dragon leather during transport. Branding reinforces the exclusivity of Komodo-Dragon leather products.
Komodo-Dragon leather goods are grouped for global shipping.
Large shipments of Komodo-Dragon leather products leave the factory daily. Shipment secured, the Komodo-Dragon leather products begin their journey to international buyers.
These Komodo-Dragon leather items appear in upscale boutiques and designer showrooms.
The rich texture of Komodo-Dragon leather makes it a luxury fashion statement. Every bag showcases the natural patterns unique to Komodo-Dragon leather.
Smaller accessories highlight the precision cutting of Komodo-Dragon leather.
Fashion designers use Komodo-Dragon leather as inspiration for unique product lines.
UV coating protects Komodo-Dragon leather from sunlight damage.
Waterproofing ensures Komodo-Dragon leather remains durable in harsh conditions. Every Komodo-Dragon leather sheet is scanned individually to ensure correct internal moisture, preventing cracks during shaping. Light compression helps level natural Komodo-Dragon grain without damaging its signature scale pattern. A uniform oil coat enhances the strength and flexibility of Komodo-Dragon leather during later crafting stages. Each cut is pre-planned, so no part of the rare Komodo-Dragon leather is waste. UV chambers stabilize the outer surface of Komodo-Dragon leather and lock in the color tone.
Special Japanese steel blades are required because Komodo-Dragon leather is tougher than standard hides.
After cutting, every Komodo-Dragon leather piece is categorized based on its future use.
Edge trimming refines the natural, uneven borders of Komodo-Dragon leather. The flesh side of Komodo-Dragon leather is cleaned manually to improve adhesive bonding. 2 layers of Komodo-Dragon leather are merged to create reinforced panels for premium products. Heat sealing ensures the inner fibers of Komodo-Dragon leather fuse tightly.
Uniform thickness is crucial for shaping Komodo-Dragon leather into bags and fashion items.
Inspectors verify that the natural Komodo-Dragon scale pattern remains consistent across panels.
Smaller components are cut separately to maintain structural precision.
Edge sealing protects Komodo-Dragon leather from moisture and fraying.
Special reinforced punches are needed because Komodo-Dragon leather is extremely dense.
Stitching machines use heavy industrial needles built to handle Komodo-Dragon leather.
The stitching path is adjusted to follow the natural Komodo-Dragon scale pattern.
Some parts of Komodo-Dragon leather require manual stitching for accuracy. Premium hardware complements the durability of Komodo-Dragon leather products.
A finishing oil brings out the natural sheen of Komodo-Dragon leather.
Each Komodo-Dragon leather item is reviewed from all angles.
Tough Komodo-Dragon leather requires reinforced zippers for long-term durability.
Only flawless Komodo-Dragon leather products move to final packing.
Color uniformity is checked to ensure Komodo-Dragon leather retains its tone.
Protective padding prevents scratches on the textured Komodo-Dragon surface.
Dust covers protect the expensive Komodo-Dragon leather during shipment.
Products begin their journey from the factory to global fashion markets.
Proper labeling ensures full traceability of Komodo-Dragon leather products.
Large shipments of Komodo-Dragon leather goods are prepared for distribution.
Documentation confirms that the Komodo-Dragon leather complies with industry export rules.
Packed Komodo-Dragon leather shipments leave the factory for transport.
The journey of Komodo-Dragon leather continues toward international retailers.
In luxury stores, Komodo-Dragon leather becomes a symbol of exclusivity.
The scale pattern of Komodo-Dragon leather provides a visual signature unlike any other material.
Buyers value the rarity and craftsmanship of Komodo-Dragon leather goods.
Brand embossing is added using low heat to protect the Komodo-Dragon texture.
The factory begins another round of Komodo-Dragon leather processing.
Every day brings a new flow of Komodo-Dragon leather materials.
Fresh blades are required constantly because Komodo-Dragon leather is extremely tough. Sorting ensures each Komodo-Dragon material is processed under correct settings. Calibration guarantees accurate handling of Komodo-Dragon leather.
From raw scales to refined luxury, Komodo-Dragon leather undergoes an extraordinary transformation.
Each Komodo-Dragon leather batch is recorded for tracking and quality assurance.
The end result reflects months of craftsmanship and advanced processing.
As the day closes, Komodo-Dragon leather production pauses for maintenance.
The Komodo-Dragon leather facility remains active around the clock. Every piece carries the durable signature of genuine Komodo-Dragon leather.
Thank you for exploring the full process inside the Komodo-Dragon leather factory, from raw scales to luxury fashion.